Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix foggy lens in Mini 3 Pro. When I bought it was problem after 5 minutes when I start the drone. And first you have to remove two screws on the left and right side. After that you have access and you can see what is inside. And there is O-ring. And when I opened the first time, the O-ring was mounted not correct, and that's why I think was problem with foggy lens. You can clean if you want from inside, and you have to check if it's O-ring mounted correct around. Yeah, now you can see it should be like on the photos. After that you can clean little the lens camera, and you have to mount together like was before. This solution it's not complicated, and everyone should make this in home. You need just normal Phillips screwdriver and that's it. After this solution I don't have any problem with foggy lens in my Mavic. Okay, thanks for watching.